Ganito ka ba magdisiplina ng anak mo? Bon, tama na yan anak. Puro ka na Roblox. Mamaya puro violent game yung pinapanood mo. You haven't kissed me yet. I promise I'm gonna No. Bon, 10 minutes anak and then you're gonna cook. 10 minutes and then you're gonna cook and then we're gonna sell bottle, go to the grocery store, and if you're being good, we're gonna buy you whatever you want at the store. And chicken strips. How's that sound? Bon, change your clothes anak and we're gonna go sell some plastic bottles. Why is she saving them?
I don't know. It's holding them.
Benta na natin itong mga bossing. Sobrang dami na. Kalat lang dito. Sayang mas marami pa sana ito kung mag-iinom tayo. Dami sanang mga bote ng beer dito. So wala, hindi natin gagawin yun. Sayang pera doon. Gastos ka lang doon. Sakit pa sa ulo. $10 man lang tayo dito. Pati dito sa sakyan mga bossing. Sobrang daming kalat, water bottles. So ang dami.
It's so hot.
So hot.
I'm burning.
Burning.
I'm burning.
Yan mo naman yung sasakyan namin mga bossing. Sobrang kalat naman ito. Sasakyan pa ba to? Ay, sobrang daming pa oh. Mga bote pa dito, 10 cents yan isa. Pera din yan. Benta natin lahat yan. Meron pa dito, ano to? What is this, Bon? Juice? Is this a juice?
No.
What is it?
Pea butter.
Pea bottle! Oh, you know what? This is money, so
What do you mean that's funny?
this is money. We're just gonna dump the water and then
Dump the pea in the toilet.
yeah, the pea. No, just here. Pera din to eh. 10 cents din to eh. Yan, tapon lang natin yan. Nakapera na tayo. Kano ba yung 10 cents sa peso? 4 pesos? Sayang din yan. Ginawa niyang ihian pag nagta-travel kami. Dito kami mga boss. May mga konting tao pa pala dito ngayon. Masara na kasi sila mga 30 minutes pa. Bilisan na lang natin para hindi tayo maabutan ng cut off. Sabi na magsasakyan to. Nagtatago pa ng bote dito sa ilalim mo. There's another bottle inside.
There's way more bottles.
Oh yeah, is it a lot of bottles in there? Is there a lot?
Did Mama used to use the seat as a trash can?
Probably. Oh, from behind the seat. From behind the seat.
But even in there.
Yeah, take all of them.
Here are bottles.
Yeah.
No, I got from that
Ganito yan, i-arrange namin sila sa tray. Why you should go with I?
trash of the tray on the front and then
Or was it fresh then?
yeah, and trash. You can again see what this the
Konti lang na yan. Konti lang na ba? Bayaran na natin po sa cashier. Mga 10 siguro to. Mga 10. 10 tayo mga bossing. 11 pala. 11 and 40 cents sabi niya. Kaso dadaan tayo sa... Yeah, just 11 and 40 cents. How much was it the last time, anak? No, the last time. How much? 15, right? It was always 15. Or 12. I think it was 12. Hello.
Hi, sorry about that. What can I get for you?
Can I get 5 pieces of chicken strips, please?
Any drink sauce?
Barbecue.
Thank you.
That's everything.
Please, the window.
Yeah, thank you. So, kumita tayo ng 11 sa pagbubuti. Kaso, ewan kung magkano babayaran natin dito sa Isyata. So, at least tumubo pa rin tayo ng 5. Tapos, nakapag-declutter tayo sa apartment. At least mapapasaya natin itong bata. Sinusulit natin gawa ng tatapos na yung bakasyon. Magpapasokan na naman eh. Hindi sila naman. Hihira na naman magkatagpo-tagpo sa bahay. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nagpipick up sa trabaho ngayon. Gawa ng ito nga, sinusulit ko itong bata. Yung pera naman, kikitain naman yan eh. Nandiyan lang yan eh. Kung lalaki na to, wala na. Baka ayaw na din sumama sa atin. Kaya sulitin na natin habang maliliit. Maliliit pa sila. Right, Bon? Did you understand what I said? No, because it's Tagalog, right? You have to learn how to speak Tagalog, anak. No, it's Tagalog. Grabe, $11 na yung 5 chicken strips. Ibig sabihin 5 pieces chicken nuggets. Oh, thanks so much. Later, thanks. Yeah, that's $11 already. Just 5 pieces of chicken strips. Canada's getting more and more expensive. Wow. How much was it before? 6? Yeah, I think it was used to be $6 for 5 pieces. Yeah, and that's why we have to sell bottles more often. Don't throw bottles away. They are money. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here you go, anak. Okay, bumiyahin na tayo mga bossing. Sunod natin yung grocery. Bilhan natin to ng pagkain niya. Paubos na yung laman ng pantry niya. You didn't what? You still have some then? Okay, andito na tayo sa grocery store mga bossing. Sale club. Mas marami kasi mga inumin dito kasi sa ibang mga stores. Can you show us how your food looks like? So that's a chicken strip, eh? Looks like chicken nuggets. Just a different name. Oh, longer. Yeah, I get it. Okay, what snack do you want, anak? What snack? You want those?
I expect me to grab a jar of ketchup.
Ginagawa mo. Kakatawa yun. Let's see how much there was. Oh, hindi pa nakasale to. Kursanada ko to eh. Kasi hindi pa nakasale. Tiramisu. Yeah. Okay, go get one then.
What do you get?
It's up to you. What do you want to have? Tiramisu.
7 tiramisu.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
So how many more you have to buy?
Remember you told me I can only have 2. I have 1 left.
Okay, one more. Okay, Okay, so that's the second one. That's it. Okay, we go home.
Yay!
Go home. Ready to go home? Drink.
No.
Okay. I thought you need 2 drinks and 2 snacks. Okay, so cold water is enough. Good. Come on.
Yay!
First.
Cracked egg.
Oh, that was fast.
Oh.
1.
No salt at all. I mix it until. Oh yeah, this one.
I didn't catch that. What's your pan enough? Smoky pan. Why is it smoky pan?
How's it smoking? It's creating little clouds. Oil! You can't forget
From
the
there.
oil.
Should be good enough.
Oil.
Yeah. Are you gonna burn it?
No.
Crumbled. Is that how you scramble eggs?
I don't know. You never taught me.
Okay, that should be good enough.
I use the same spoon.
Yeah, but that's heavy. Just use your spoon.
Oh,
It's just...
I got splashed by oil.
Okay. Okay, kain na tayo. May nilaga tayo dito. Sa usawan. Ano ba yun? Bakit patis? Ano ba yan? Suka. Tapos kay Bonbon, egg lang. Ayaw mo ng soup?
No.
Egg lang?
Egg movie.
Game na nak. Game.
Pray. Pray.
I pray.
Pray ka na. Pray.
Pero nag-play ka naman ng Roblox. Diba?
Hindi siya nagpo-play ng violent games eh.
Nag-play siya dati. Diba? Ng mga baril-baril sa Roblox.
Nagpo-play ka pa ng violent games?
Purple gate.